All right, guys, cool. Oh, we need gas too. It's flashing empty, so we're taking the bike. Taking a Ninja 1000 off to get some breakfast, but my friend here, Robin, wants to. I wanted to go on the bike. He wanted to go on the car, so I said, "No, I'll take the bike." So now he's gonna trust me 2 up, and we're gonna go. Get some food on the bike. That's the caretaker, carekeeper, landkeeper they call it. Oh, it's nice today. Very nice today. It's nice and cool this morning. Yesterday it was ever so hot, so this is nice. And driving on the left is gonna be so weird for me, man. I gotta like undo everything I've done the entire trip and start going the wrong way, you know? But man, what an experience. It is absolutely crazy to be riding out here in India. So you actually trust me? You actually trust me to do this? All right there? Can we go there? Other side? Yeah. I'm gonna put it on this side, yeah? So this is a gas station in India, and it's like so different. Not one smile. When people stare, I always go. But of course, I'm not supposed to be here, so I'm very.
As I told you yesterday, it's like a crow wearing a tie.
That's right. And then the big bike too, you know. Yeah. And so back home, like we do the gas by ourselves. Like we just go up there and do it all ourselves. Put the credit card in. Here they have people standing here. Alright, so that was a gas station in India. Absolutely insane. They have guys that are doing it for you. Everyone takes cash everywhere. Like, I can't use my credit cards pretty much anywhere, man. So this is a small little town, little village they call it, outside of the main city that we're staying at, Shashamabad. And it's a little village, and then we're just outside of Hyderabad as well. So it's like the general area, if you will, like a greater area, kind of like how we have in our cities where a bunch of people like all just stay in the same place. Like look at this. Like, that's okay, people here. That's completely okay here. People do it all the time. You just have to honk and like move over, or else they're gonna hit. They're gonna hit you. See people here drive with no helmets, no nothing. Some people wear helmets for their safety. So I just flashed him, make him move back over. You gotta be a little bit aggressive out here. Like, that's what I've learned. Just gotta use your high beams a lot, use your horn a lot, and you are good to go. Come on, man, that's so bad. That is so bad. That's okay here, man. That's India. Welcome to India, man. Everyone drives in the middle of their lane, like cars coming at you from everywhere. That Mercedes, like he saw me, and then just decided to go, because it's a bike to them. They'll move over. Absolutely insane. And here it is. Look at this. And they'll flash you in your own lane to move over. It's crazy. It is so different for me. So different. And that's the way it is out here. There's like there's road laws, but no one follows them. See this guy here? Let them know you're there. Ladies and gents, driving school. Did they even have schools here? So I don't know if you guys saw that, but the driving instructor reached over to honk for him. That's hilarious. This guy indicated. This guy's going the wrong way down the road. Oh, flip-flop, duck feet, no helmet. So there's a stop sign here, guys, that we're not going to stop because that's India. We just look and go. Only English! English! Oh. I don't know. We're going for food! Food! So, guys, as you know, like bikes over 500cc, I'd say even bikes over 250cc are super rare. Like super rare. So 250cc and below is like the norm here. 125, 150 even is even more common, and bikes over, like I said, 250 are rare, and over 500 even more rare. So being on 1,000, like he was just asking full speed, like go full speed. Because the bike's so rare, they want to see like how fast you can go. But this bike, I'm too up in a city. There's no full speed. Oh man, we are just bottoming out the exhaust. Ay. I need to put the rear weight up on this guy. hey man, I used to get to use my horn a lot here, and it's common. There you go, there's some cows just chilling. So here we are in another little like outer laying area, just outside Hyderabad. I forget the name, sorry guys. People riding the back of their little pickup truck things. It's insane. Here's an intersection right here. We have the right of way, boys and girls, but they'll put their hand out. No, stop. We're going left, right? Yeah.
Left, take a U-turn.
And then U-turn, yeah. Honk to let them know you're here, and off we go. Good luck. That's so tough, 2 up. This guy's heavy. Sorry, Robin, but it's true, you're heavy. Families just cross the road like you wouldn't believe. It's just insane out here. It's insanity. This bus is gonna come into here. Oh yeah, these are traffic, like people here. Insanity, insanity. We made it!